How to uninstall Vita Mahjong. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely wipe it from your mobile device. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically, we in this app info. So this is the place where you can customize and make different changes in the app. Here on the bottom, there's a button called Uninstall. Simply tap on Uninstall. Now make sure you want to remove the app. Also make sure you have your user ID and password saved for later because you must need it when you reinstall this app. At last, simply tap on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone from my mobile device and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.